Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for always stopping by to watch my tutorials. So today we are making this beautiful rich anti kaftan bubu style. So we are making use of black crepe material and a small pieces of this colorful Ankara material. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever we upload the beautiful videos like this. And you can share my video with your friends, give my video thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend my channel to more people so that they can get to see and watch my tutorials. So guys, don't forget to share my videos with your friends. Please watch this video to the end.
So this is the material that we are using to make our rich Aunty Boubou Kantan. So this is the fabric. It's a crepe fabric, and this is the Ankara that we use to complete it at the front side that we are making. So this is it. I'm just showing you how we'll place it also. So we'll start with the measurement now. So we start with our measurement from the length. Our length is 40, that is the main length is 39. So the hem side we're adding 1 inch on it, that is making it at 40. So mark, and that is what I'm marking there now to get our length, and we'll continue to mark it. So that is the length now, and that is the rolling side that I'm using the chalk to roll it out. So after that, what next? Now we'll start with the neck measurement. So this is the measurement now. So what I'm marking at the neck is 3.5. It's 3.5 that I'm marking, and it will have the neck V. So the V neck is 7 that I'm marking there now to bring down the cleavage, that is the neck down of this material that we are making. So this is the round sleeve, that is the round neck now. So I want to make the round neck first because we'll use it to cut at the back side. So before we now get that our V, and that our V is what I'm also marking also to bring it straight. So that is the neck now, and that is the V that I'm chalking there for you to see. So the length of that neck is 7, that is the downside. So our shoulder measurement is 8, that is 16. So that is the 8 there that I'm marking, and to bring down the neck, the shoulder side is what I'm still marking, that is that 8, 16. So that is the chalking side of the shoulder. To bring it down to the armhole, I'm marking 8. So that is the 8 that I'm marking there now. So from there we'll get our measurement now, that is our body measurement, that is the bust. So what I'm just measuring there is 11, that is 12, everything, the weight. So we are marking it to that length now. So to get that shape, because it will not be too tight, it's a free size style. So I'm marking that 12 and marking it that 12. So that is that 12 that I'm marking there now. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please, and watch my video to the end, please. I want you guys to watch this video to the end. So that is the side of the armhole that I'm marking there now. So that is it now. So I'm using my hand to carve it out and to bring it down. So that is the slanting for the shoulder. I'm using 1/2 inch to slant it, that is the shoulder side. So to connect it from the bust, that is the side that I'm also connecting it to the bust side. And after that, you just take it down. So that is what I'm doing there now. So you take it down because it will not be too tight. It's a free bubu kaftan, and it's a rich aunty style that we are making out of it now. So that is the rolling that I'm bringing it down at the hem side of it now. So can you see what I'm doing there now? So we are done with the measurement. It's so beautiful and very easy to go to cut. So please don't forget to subscribe, please. So that is the neck now that I want to cut. I'm cutting it with that round so that we'll use it to cut the back side of it. That is why I also make it that round first. So that is the shoulder side that I'm also cutting, and that is the armhole that I'm cutting also for us, because you can see our cloth is getting the shape now. So can you see what I'm doing now? So cutting out the side of it now is what I'm doing also to cut out. So after that is for us to use it to cut at the back side of our rich auntie kaftan boubou. So that is the downside. So we cut it out, and can you see how it is now? So we're done with that now. So just for me now to lay the back side of it and use the front to lay it down and also cut it out. So I'm cutting the side of it also to get our rich auntie, and you can see that it has formed it. The cutting is done. So that is the cutting side that I'm doing there now. So can you see how it is now? So that is it. So we're done with the front, and can you see that it's very easy? So now is the back. So I'm using the front to lay it. That is what I'm pointing at for you to see that is the back that we are cutting now. So it's the front that I lay on it now to cut it out. So just lay it the way we just used the front before. So that is the length now. So I'm cutting from the downside of it now. So cutting out the length is what I'm doing there now. So now is the neck. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please share it to your friends and watch my video to the end. Please, it's very important for you to watch it so that you can learn from it and also sew it for yourself, because that is the essence of this video, for you to learn it and do it by yourself. So that is the cutting, also the side of it that I'm cutting out. So I'm just still cutting it. That is the downside of this our rich auntie boubou kaftan. So it's a free wear and it's very easy to cut out. So we're done with the cutting now. So can you see how it is now? That is the front and the back is cut now. So can you see how it is? Very lovely and beautiful. Remember, it's a crepe material that we use to make this boubou kaftan, and it's a black material that you can see now. So this is it now. So that is the front. You know, we have not cut the neck of the front side, that is the v-neck. So that is what I'm pointing out for you now, that we want to cut out now. So what I'm still measuring is that 7 that we measured earlier. So I'm cutting it out. That is the v-neck now, because it will cut the back side of it before. So that is the front now. So we've cut it out. So this is the fabric, and that is the Ankara that we use to make that our rich auntie style that we want to make out. So what I'm marking then is 10. I'm marking from the length to get that our length is 10 that I'm marking out. So I want to cut it out now for us to get that shape. So what I'm cutting there, pointing out there, is from there is 3. So you now shape it out to get our V. So it's to be V. So that is the rich auntie Ankara front that we want to cut out now. So now this is what I'm doing there now. Can you see what I'm doing? Cutting it out now to get at our shape, because the shape that the middle side will be V. So can you see how it is? So this is how you cut your own when doing your own. So can you see? Let me open it for you to see how it look like. So can you see it now? So we'll place this one at the middle or the front side. So this is it now. So can you see? So the neck again is with what we want to cut. I'm marking it by 2. So 2, because that neck side we also use Ankara to get it, because it will have Ankara at that place that I'm cutting marking now, that is for the neck. So this is what I'm doing there now. You know, first we cut out the V, that is the neck first. So this one that we are marking now is what we'll get for the Ankara. So that's what I'm pointing at for you to see. So because we use Ankara now to cut that. So now I want to cut it out and use it to cut for the Ankara fabric. So this is how you also do it now if you are making it for yourself. Please, I hope this video is understood, and I want you to watch it to the end so that you can learn it and you can do it on your own. So this is what I'm doing now. So I will now use it to place on the Ankara and cut out. And remember, you will double it. So what I'm doing now, if you cut this first one, you use it to cut another one, or you can use lining to cut it, so that you now use it to turn the neck. The neck needs to be turned before you now place it on that neck that we cut out. So this is what I'm doing there now. So that is the first cutting. So you will cut it again, like two, to use it to turn the neck. Remember that. And you can also use your hem stain to gum it so that it will be firm. So you can use your hem stain to gum it to be firm. So this is what I'm doing now. So also you extend it. You can see what I'm doing there. I did not cut it exactly the neck that we cut, so I extended it so that it will be balanced when you are fixing it, so that it will not get shorter. So even though it remain, it will be okay for you. So the inch there that I use is two. Remember, is two that I use to cut it out. So that's what I'm doing there now. So I've cut it out now. That is the first one. So what you do now, use it to cut the other side of it. Remember, I told you it's two that you cut, so that you now use it to turn the neck proper. So that's what I'm done there. So can you see how it is now? So you can take it to the another fabric to recut, or use the lining. So we have done that. So what I will do now is what I've done. So I use hem stain to hold it, that is to gum it, and I've ironed it out now. So that is the neck. So we'll now go and place it at the fabric now. So can you see that I've done that? I've placed it. So this, can you see? And I'm also pointing it out. I've done the front, the middle side of the Ankara, and it's ready. So what we just do is just for us now to do the pocket, because it has a pocket. So this is the pocket side. Use the fabric also. What I did there is 1.5 inch that I used to sew it down. So that is the pocket side now. So from the shoulder now is what I want to show you how to put your pocket, so to get your half length. So from there, my half length there that I have is 17. So you make it 17.5. So that is for the sewing, also sewing allowance. So on that place, that is where you place it on your pocket size. That is down under that your 17 that you mark with your chalk. And that is what I'm doing there now for you to see. So can you see how it is now? So I'll go and stitch it on the machine there. So now is the sleeve now. So the sleeve that we have there now is 7. Remember the length, so it's 7 that we are putting, and you have a turn up. So that is this turn up there that I'm showed you there. Is 2 inch also that I have there for the turn up. So this is the armhole side of the sleeve that I'm chalking out. So the round sleeve now is what I'm also marking now. The round sleeve is 15. So that is 7.5 is what you have there. So you make it 18 to get your sewing allowance. So you don't do it exactly the round sleeve. So that is what I'm also cutting out now. That is the armhole side of it now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, I'm begging you to do that, and I'm also pleading for you to watch this video to the end. Watch my other previous video and watch it to the end also, please. So what we have there is 8 to the armhole side.
So we have placed our sleeve to our main fabric. You can see how it is now. Our dress is ready. Our rich Aunty Boubou Kantan is ready. Very beautiful. So please, you can watch this video again and again so that you can learn how to cut and sew it on your own. Don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new video like this. Please give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend this video, this channel, to more people so that they can get to watch this video. Please guys, thank you for watching. Love you guys.